now the deal of the age, and people are making a lot out of it, including brands, entrepreneurs, and businesses. So you have to also get hooked on it and then make the most out of it. Hi, welcome to another episode of Social Giant Global. Today, I want to teach you digital marketing, some of the importance of it, and how best you can use digital marketing to make the most for your business. So, stick and stay. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave a comment at the end of the video, and then be part of this family. Let's get started. What then is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a form of marketing to which you can promote or advertise a product or a service to people digitally. And you can do this through mediums like a mobile phone or your computer. Digital marketing leverage on channels like emails, websites, social media platforms, search engines, and mobile applications. These are some of the importance of digital marketing. So digital marketing actually gives brands or businesses and even marketers the opportunity to interact with people and their audience, to get to know more about them and also to understand them, and also to know how to communicate to them. It also helps to increase the trust an audience have for a particular brand. Digital marketing also show people promotions or advertisement based on their interactions, their actions, and also their preference on the internet. Not like the days before where we have traditional marketing, and with this one you can actually target a group of people with a particular product or service. But this time around with digital marketing, you can actually target a group of people based on their age, their location, and even their gender. So this is really specific, and this is done as a result of the preference and the action of these people on the internet. Digital marketing is also less expensive than the traditional marketing. So I will encourage every brand and entrepreneur and also businesses to get started using digital marketing to send forth or to communicate their product to a wider audience or a larger audience. Let me take you through some types of digital marketing and how you can go about it. With this understanding, you can actually start up something and know what step to take first and what to actually do with these types of digital marketing. First of all is content marketing. So content marketing is basically about brand or a business creating blog, infographic, case study, and also videos to communicate or to tell the story of their brand in terms of what they offer, their benefits, their product or services to a group of persons. So get started with content marketing by creating blogs, creating case study, videos and posts, and all articles that will help tell a good story about your brand. The next I want to talk about is email marketing. Email marketing is when brands or businesses send messages through emails or send emails to their potentials. So you have prospects who have visited your website and you have gotten their emails. You just put them together, send them information about what you offer, the benefits they can actually get out of your business, and then get started and get them to buy what you have. So email marketing is sending messages or sending emails to potentials. So as a result of people who visited your blog or your website, you get a number of emails and you then send them information or tell them more about what they can actually benefit from your brand, your product, or your service, or whatever business you are doing. So get started with email marketing and you can actually make a lot out of that. The next is SEOs. SEOs sound like a mountain to a lot of businesses. They don't really understand it. Sometimes they want to actually run away from it. But it is not about the name, it's about what it stands for. SEOs are search engine optimization, and it is basically, or in basic terms, it is about you creating content on specific keywords to help your business or your brand rank first in search engines. Period. Get an expert to help your brand or to help your business get to the top of search. Also, social media marketing, which most of us know about, is what I want to share with you, where you get to set up on any form of social media platforms which best works for your brand, and then you start creating presence or brand awareness on that platform, and also running campaigns to get to reach more audience. So get started. We have a lot of social media platforms you can actually sign up and start promoting your brand on today. We have LinkedIn, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, Pinterest, and a number of them. So select one that works for you and your brand or business and get started. Also, pay per click is when you actually promote or run ads on a platform and you get to pay for it when people click or sign up or subscribe or get onto your service or visit your website through your links or through that advert or campaign. So it is a promotion. So pay per click is one of the types of data marketing tools that you can actually use to reach out to a wide audience. So don't hesitate to try promotions online to reach more audience. Lastly is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is where you reach out to a third-party website or agency to help you promote what you've got to offer to your audience, or you've got to offer to a group of people just to sell your product or to sell your service. You can always reach out to any third party or any well-known agency or website that has lots of visits to collab or to sign contracts to work together in order to promote your brand or business. I believe this has been helpful, and I know that you are learning each day as you visit Social Giant Global. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave your comment what you think about digital marketing, and don't forget to share with friends to also get to know. I'll bring you more content, more educative ones. Don't forget to come back another time. My name is Gas. See you another time.